Are you approaching the world of prosumer coffee machines? With L'Elite Anna, you can live exceptional coffee experiences. Let's take a closer look at this coffee machine. Entirely made of stainless steel, Anna is equipped with a multi-directional wand that allows you to froth milk and deliver water via the side knob. Through the control panel, you can set all the parameters to obtain a great coffee. Everything is in your hands. With Anna, you can easily monitor the water level in the tank through the side window. Once you switch on your Anna coffee machine, it only takes a few minutes for it to be ready. Hook the filter holder to the body of the machine during the warm-up phase. This helps temperature consistency up to the coffee cup. Let's dive in and see how to brew a good coffee. Thanks to the Thermo PID display, you can easily adjust the extraction temperature. This allows you to brew at the right temperature with any coffee blends. When the display shows T1, use the buttons to modify it, wait for 3 seconds, and the temperature is set. The perfect coffee cup is a balance of several key elements, from grinding to the coffee preparation. To obtain exceptional results, before brewing your coffee, do a purge to reach the correct temperature. Also, carefully choose the quality and quantity of the blend to get an excellent cup. We suggest using freshly ground coffee to obtain the best results. To start the coffee extraction, once the selection lever switch is on coffee function, just lift up the delivery lever switch. You can check the coffee pressure via the manometer. When you want to stop, simply pull the delivery lever switch and enjoy your cup of coffee. Always remove the coffee puck from the filter holder after the extraction. Shall we talk about cappuccino? Thanks to the Thermo PID display, you can set the steam temperature. When the display shows T2, use the 2 buttons to choose it, wait for 3 seconds, and the steam temperature is set. Once you select steam function, the display shows STE and the set temperature. Once the light is on, turn the side knob to deliver steam. We recommend turning it for a few seconds before frothing milk to eliminate any possible water drops. And if you need hot water to prepare tea, infusions, or American coffee, simply move the selection lever switch to the hot water symbol. The display will show the temperature and the light will turn on. Lift up the delivery lever switch and turn the side knob clockwise to deliver hot water. When you want to stop, simply turn the side knob counterclockwise and pull the delivery lever switch. Then move the selection lever switch to the coffee symbol and exit the function. The drip tray can be easily removed for clearing operations. When you're done using the coffee machine, turn it off. Anna can satisfy your design cravings. Indeed, it can be customized with the wire grade upgrade for a new look. Made of stainless steel, it reaches the tray edges and its shape avoids water and coffee residues due to the extraction. Feel the performance already? Get ready to live quality coffee experiences with Anna.